Okay.
Okay, Mr. Shi.
Very good.
Okay, Mr. Shi, how old are you?
你今年多大了
50岁，50岁。
？50 years old.
Can you have a separate microphone para hindi sila palitan ng microphone? How old again? Sorry? 50.
OK，请问你几岁呢
50
？50。
50.
50
When were you born?
你哪里出生的
晋江
？I was born in 晋江。
When?
什么时候
，1975
？1975
Where again was he born?
in 晋江。
What province is that?
晋江是一个什么地方
晋江是一个市嘛，福建省的。
？It is in the Fujian province. It's a city in Fujian province.
Okay. What is your occupation?
那你的职业是什么
几月？什么？在什么时候的几月？
？When do you refer? Which time?
是现在吗？
Now? You mean now?
Currently.
Yes.
现在没有。
Right now, I don't have an occupation.
Yeah. Previous to right now. What was your last occupation?
之前你的职业是什么？
之前那个就7年嘛，就是7年有仓库被封了，我就啥都就没做了，也没本钱做生意没做。
仓库 ，OK。So I have a warehouse, and I don't have much money to invest on other kinds of business.
So this was what years did you have that warehouse?
那是几年到几年？
就是21年吧。
21年。
21年吧。2021年吧。
2024年开始。It was from 2024.
2024. Did you finish university education?
有没有大学毕业呢 ？No.
Okay. Are you married?
有结婚了吗
结婚了。
？Yes, I am.
What is the name of your wife?
请问你的妻子叫什么
谢谢蔡美辰。
？Her name is 蔡美珍。
Chai Mei Chai. Where is your wife?
那她现在在哪里
在中国。
？She's in China.
Okay. Where do you reside today?
那您现在住在哪里
现在住在中国城这边。
？I live in the Chinatown area.
Okay. Where exactly in the Chinatown area?
那个中国城哪个地方？
就是那个叫就是叫九洞。
九洞。
英文我不知道它叫什么，英文叫。
I know that it was called 九洞。
就四季隔壁那边。
隔壁那边。
四季你知道吗
？Four Seasons。四季啊。
那个叫楼板下。楼板下吧。
Okay. So it was the building besides the Four Seasons.
楼板下。
Okay, if he can just submit the address, no?
Okay. 要发给我们你的地址。
要发给你们地址，我说不出来。
I don't know how to.
Yes.
你写吗？你写。我说你写的。
It's okay. He can do that later on. But just submit to this committee his current address.
把你的地址发给他们。
Do you have children?
有孩子吗？
有一个孩子。
How many children do you have?
有几个？
一个。
Only one.
Okay. When did you first travel in the Philippines?
那你第一次到菲律宾是什么时候呢
？17年。
That was in 2017.
Okay. And you said your previous occupation was leasing of warehouse. Is that correct? A warehouse lessor?
你说你之前的职业就是你在出租那个仓库吗？
就做1年那个，不是出租，就是租一个仓库，做那一点生意嘛。
Okay. So it's not really as a lessor, but yeah, a lessee.
Lessee, sorry, yes. Correct.
So yeah, 所以你在租这个仓库，然后你在做生意。
就住那种。
Yes, I am renting this warehouse and I'm doing my business.
And what is your source of income?
那你的收入是
Because
从哪里来？
As a lessee, you were paying.
嗯，
But what were you earning?
那你的收入是从哪里来的？
收入就是之前在中国的时候，我也有带一点钱了、但来这边语言不通，话也说不好，就一直也没有一个正式的一个收入嘛。
Okay, so the income that I used when I came here, that was from China. I had some savings and I used it here when I came here. But since there is language barrier, so I wasn't able to really have a formal source of income.
Okay. Do you confirm that the warehousing as a lessee was Vigor Warehouse, the Vigor Logistics Warehouse?
那你能够确认，这个仓库，你租的仓库就是那个 Vigor 公司吗？
我不知道什么公司，
I don't know what company it is.
But where was it? Where was your warehouse?
那个仓库的地址在哪里
就在咖啡店啊，
？It's in Cavite.
Kawit, Cavite.
咖啡。
Yes, it is in Cavite.
嗯，
So you confirm that the Vigor Logistics Corporation was your lessor.
所以你能够确认，这个 Vigor 物流公司就是出租你的那个仓库，对吗
我不知道什么公司，我都不懂英文，我不知道什么公司，
？I really don't know what the name of the company because that is in English.
我不知道什么公司。
I don't know what company it is.
But you were leasing and there was a lease contract.
但是有这个合同，你跟他们签合同。
合同不知道在哪里了，因为我这些既然都记性有不好，签了以后，我以为说签了以后那个也没用了吧，都不知道丢哪里去。
I actually don't know the contract is right now because my memory is poor. So after signing the contract and then I just don't know where I put it, where I place it.
Hindi na niya maalala.
所以你忘了是吗？ Yes, that's correct, Your Honor.
But he confirms he signed it.
He's hiding. Okay. 那你能够确认你在逃避是吗
逃避？逃避什么啊？
？What by that, Your Honor?
He confirms that he signed the contract. He says he doesn't remember what the contents are, but he saw it and he signed it.
那你能够确认你有签署这个合同？
有签署合同，但是因为那个签署合同，我也忘记了是我签还是我老婆那个时候签的。
Okay. I actually have forgotten who signed the contract, if it was me or my wife.
Okay,
我也忘记，不知道谁
I。forgot already.
but you confirm one of you signed.
那你能够确认，就是其中你们有签署这个合同？
应该是有签的，不签的话他不会给我们的。
Yeah. Yes, there should be a contract that was signed because if it was not signed, we will not be able to lease the
Do
property.
you also confirm that checks were issued to make payments for the lease
Okay.
of the warehouse?
那你能够确认，你就是发给他们这些支票，当做这个付款方式
对，
？Yes, I confirm.
Do you also confirm that you submitted photocopies of your passport
你能够
in as a requirement to enter into the lease contract with Vigor?
你能够确认，你就是付给他们这个护照的部分，就是为了签署这个合同。
护照的话，他就是说想看我们的护照，我们就给他了。然后他这个是要干嘛，我们也不知道。
Yes, if that is for the purpose of signing the agreement, we were able to show them the copy. So if it is for the purpose of the contract, yeah, maybe that is the reason.
Can the committee secretary provide him a photocopy of his passport so that he can confirm?
OK，现在给你出示的是就是你护照的部分。
Where is the? 上了，上了。
对，
就是这个吗
这是我的
Yeah.
这是我老婆的。是
？Yes, I confirm. This is mine and this is for my wife.
Okay, thank you. And we also have here photocopies of checks issued by him and his wife or his wife. Can
OK
he confirm that these are checks issued by him or his wife?
OK，接下来你能够确认这些支票都是你跟你的老婆发给他们的支票吗？
嗯
看一下。
这机构是我开的，
嗯
是我开的，没错。
Yes, I issued these checks.
Okay. Did you also turn over these checks to the warehouse management? Anyone in the warehouse management?
你把这些支票就是交给他们仓库的一个管理人员吗 ？Yes, that's correct.
Do you know the name of the person that you turned over the checks to?
那你知道那个仓库的管理人员叫什么吗
不知道，
？No, I don't know.
Where is the representative of Vigor? Yes, Mr. Ting. Do you recognize Mr. Chow, Mr. Shi?
Good morning, Mr. Chair. I did not directly coordinate with him. It's my brother who usually coordinate with the lessee.
Is your brother here?
No, he's not invited.
Your Lucina Ting, as corporate secretary, do you recognize Mr. Shi?
No, Your Honor. I don't have idea.
So who dealt with him? He claims he was giving a.
Yeah, it's my brother, Jeff.
So you confirmed that your brother
Yes.
would receive the checks from Mr. Shi.
Yes, we
Okay,
confirm.
that's good
that.
enough.
Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Willie Ang, are you the building administrator of Vigor?
No, sir. I'm the Gold Key, sir. I'm the administrative assistant of Gold Key.
Okay, Gold Key used to own
The Gold Key is the owner of the warehouse.
yes,
Yes.
and it was Gold Key that entered initially into a lease contract arrangement, lease agreement with Mr. Shi. Is that correct?
I don't know, sir, because the warehouse was sold sometimes 2022, I think. So so we are not the management anymore of the warehouse.
Are you familiar with warehouse number 8, the subject of the smuggling, alleged smuggling operation?
Yes, Your Honor, the warehouse number 8 before is open warehouse. It's a bare warehouse. So we list it. So I don't know kung bakit naging freezer. Maybe.
So at the time that you were still owners, it was still a bare warehouse. Tama?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Warehouse 8 is a bare warehouse.
It's a bare warehouse again
It's
today.
open, yeah.
Again,
It's
because
open.
for the information of Senator Tulfo, Erwin, we were there yesterday. We did an ocular. We'd like to thank Vigor Global, Mr. Ting, for allowing us to see the warehouse. So it's back to being a bare warehouse.
Yes.
But what you're saying, Mr. Ang, is that when Gold Key sold the property, it was still a bare warehouse. Is that correct?
I don't know, sir, but I have to recall it. I know as much as I know that the warehouse we ran before is a bare warehouse to the lessee, and then I don't know because they can construct it. I know there's a construction, but I don't know it's a freezer.
Okay. We go back to Mr. Shi. Mr. Shi, are you aware? Do you know the BNT, or are you familiar with the BNT Construction Technology and Development Company?
请问施先生，你知道这个 BNV 建筑公司吗
不知道。
？I don't know, Your Honor.
Are you sure?
你确定吗
对，我不知道。
？Yes, I really don't know.
How did you secure a visa, a work visa?
那你是如何得到这个工签？
When you first arrived in 2017 and then thereafter?
在2017年来到菲律宾的时候，你是如何拿到这个工签？
2017年来的时候，那个我没有工签。
When I arrived in 2017, I didn't have a work visa.
So how did you secure a work visa eventually?
那之后为什么怎么能拿到这个工签呢？
就是那个朋友圈有人话说能办这个工签吗？然后我就办了工签吗？办了工签，这次我就打电话问他说有一个公司说有1000多张，然后找不到人了。
Actually, there was a group of friends or like a group chat that I joined, and then they were offering the visa processing, and then I said that okay, I can try. Can you help me do my visa? But then later on, I wasn't able to find him anymore.
Yes, but you did get a work visa.
但是你之后有拿到工签是吗
工签有啊，我有拿到工签啊。
？Yes, I was able to get it.
So who did you get? Who helped you get it?
谁帮你拿到这个工签？谁帮你
是一个中国人，
？It's a Chinese.
What is his name?
他叫什么？
我不知道他叫什么，因为那个微信上那个名字都是就是随便一个代码，我也不知道他叫什么。
I don't know his real name or exact name because in the group chat, in WeChat, so they always use their alias.
然后
Okay.
然后
Mr. Chair.
他跟我说
Yes, Senator Erwin. Go
I'd
ahead.
like to address this question to the Bureau of Immigration. Attorney Raymond, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Wala ho ba kayong vetting process, yung mga nag-a-apply ng mga visa? Kagaya ho nito, mukhang fly-by-night yung grupo niya. Gawa-gawa. Sa pangalan na lang kaagad yan, Mr. Chair, yung kumpanya na yun, mukhang fly-by-night yun, mukhang sindikato. Meron na ba kayong proseso sa Bureau of Immigration para masiguro na legit yung nag-a-apply ng visa? Kagaya ho nito, na group chat ka lang pala nakilala. Eh mukhang meron yatang visa for hire yata ho dyan. Wala ba kayong process to yung vetting na yung mga nag-a-apply na talagang legit na mga negosyante, hindi mga smuggler?
Your Honor, first po na ginagawa po during the application of the visa is the completeness test. Sinecheck po namin yung mga documents po na pinipresent po nung aplikante. Next po is yung, after po nun, yung pong, meron po din kami post audit after po nung approval during the time po na pinaprocess po yung application ng 9G. Sa kaso po ni Mr. Chaucer, he continuously defrauding the Bureau of Immigration as regards po dun sa, ano po niya, sa binigay po niya na address po ng opisina po niya, saka po nung kanyang residence. Yun po yung allegation against him.
No, but my point is, Mr. Chair, if you'd allow me just one more question.
Yes, go ahead.
Hindi, wala ba kayong agent na talagang tututukan yung kaso na yan, yung sinasabi niyang company, yung technology na yan na if existing yan or not? Meron ho ba kayong agent na gano'n naka-assign?
Your Honor, yun po yung trabaho po ng aming Intel Division. After po ng issuance po ng lahat po ng visa, not only yung a particular company lang po, sinecheck po nila yung legitimacy po ng company by, depende po, may mga reports po silang nare-receive. Meron din po sa sarili po nilang case build-up. Yun po yung usual po na ginagawa po namin sa Bureau of Immigration.
Natin, Mr. Chair, I mean, ang dami, how many more Chow Kun Shi nandito sa Pilipinas? How many more? We don't know. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Mr. Shi, do you confirm that you were the lessor of, a lessee rather, of storage warehouse number 8?
OK，请问施先生，你能够确认你就是在租这个仓库8号仓库吗？
Yes.
是的，
Yes, I confirm.
And so, when warehouse number 8 was raided in May of 2024, what was discovered in warehouse number 8 were 100 million pesos worth of meat products. Where did these meat products come from, Mr. Shi? Being the lessor of a lessee, being the lessee.
OK，所以因为你当做这个仓库的，你在出这个仓库对吗？那在2024年5月份，他们有做一个突击的检查行动，然后有找到那个1亿披索的这些肉产品。那你知道这些肉产品是哪里来的吗？
我不知道，并不是所有仓库都是我的，不是所有仓库都是我的。
这是8号
就
仓库
8号的，那我只有做3个月。
3个月哦，I really don't
不
know.
知道所有的东西哪里来的，我也不知道。
I don't know where these products came from because not all the warehouses are mine, and I only did this job or this business for 3 months.
When you say you don't know where it came from, who were you talking to?
那你说那个你不知道这
How did it come to your warehouse?
OK，你说你不知道这些产品是哪里来的，但是这些肉产品为什么在你的仓库呢？
在我仓库就是我有的隔壁有仓库有货，我就帮他找他拿一点咯，拿过来卖咯。那他怎么来的我不知道。
Okay, so for example, there is a warehouse beside me, and then they wanted to also place their materials or their products in my warehouse. So I also get some of their products, but I don't know where they got this.
And when you say they, who are they? What's the name?
他们是谁呢？
就是7号仓库的跟那个7号仓库的，还有那个是6号仓库的咯。
Those were from the warehouse 6 and 7.
Yes, we want a name.
你知道名字吗？
名字6号的姓谢，好像
Okay.
7号的姓洪。
Okay, for warehouse number 6, I guess that was Mr. Xie, and for warehouse number 7, that was Mr. Hong.
Would he have the full name?
你知道他们的全名吗？
不知道，就是叫谢总啊、洪总啊，都不知道。
No, I don't have their full name. I only call them Mr. Xie, Mr. Hong.
Or who was for number 6?
6号仓库是谁的？
6号是姓谢的老板啊，姓谢的。
That was Mr. Xie, the boss of
And number
warehouse
7?
7号仓库呢
姓洪的，
？Mr. Hong，
So all Chinese.
都是华人。
那都是华人。
Yes, that's correct, Your Honor.
Do you deal with Filipino nationals?
有没有跟一些菲律宾人民做生意呢？
谁啊？
菲律宾有没有跟菲律宾人？
我是吗？
嗯
没有。
，No，
菲律宾没有。
No.
Okay, after the raid in May of 2024, what did he do?
OK，这个2024年5月份这个突击检查之后，你做什么？
就去检查之后，就是没钱，那有什么做的？我就没有什么做什么了，因为钱都在那里面呢，也
OK，
没有做什么。
I didn't do anything else after that.
Weren't you placed under investigation?
有没有开始做这些调查呢？
做什么调？
他们为你做这些调查。What kind of investigation, Your Honor?
The Bureau of Customs did not invite him for questioning.
海关局有没有对你调查呢
没有，
？No, Your Honor.
不知道会有没有找仓库。
So
我
what
不知
kind of
道
investigation?
没有，
He should answer his
照
question.
个人。
So what kind of investigation was he subjected to?
所以你经历过什么样的调查呢？
我们个人没有怎么调查呀、个人
那
没有什么没有。
individually, I didn't encounter those investigation.
What do you mean individually?
个人，你说个人吗？
那就我啊，没有
Like for me personally, if I was investigated, I didn't encounter that.
Yes, Senator Erwin.
Yeah, Mr. Chair. I would like to ask the Global Logistics, can you provide us the name, the owners or the lessees of warehouse number 6 and number 7? Can you provide us? Kasi sabi niya, galing daw po sa 6 and 7. Alam ko naman ho na personal nilang transaction yon, si Mr. Ho, si Mr. C na sinasabi nila. Pero we want to get the names. Kung maaari, submit po rin sa committee na ito ang pangalan ng mga may-ari o lessees ng 6 and 7. Okay? Doon niya po tinuturo yung mga nakuha sa kanya, doon daw nang galing. Alright? I-submit niyo po rin sa committee. Now, my other question, Mr. Chair, is for the Bureau of Customs. Yes, Ascom Marunilla, magandang umaga po.
Morning, sir.
Kargamento na ito ng May, sinasabi ni Mr. Shi, hindi raw po siya sinabject sa investigation. Tama po ba yun?
Your Honor, may I refer the matter to the officer on case?
Sige po.
At particular,
Alright.
Mr. Joel Pinawin.
Sige po, Asco Marunilla.
We have it on record also that the following were BOC officials who were part of the raiding team. Where is it? Baka pwedeng isama na sila
Yes, Your Honor.
para isahan na lang. We invited them today. Nasaan? Ito. Okay, the following. Cesar Cordero, Macapañas, Emmanuel Carlogo. What about Enciso? Oh yeah, where are they?
We invited Enciso and Rabal. They are not part of POC anymore, sir.
Okay, Mr. Enciso and Mr. Raval were likewise invited
Yes.
because at that time they were also involved in the investigation as well as the documentation of this incident. Deputy Commissioners Uy and Raval, are they still with the commission?
Your Honor, but Undersecretary Teddy Raval is here, Your Honor.
Okay, can he please join us together with Mr. What is the other person's name? Sorry.
Good morning, Mr. Chair. I am Teddy S. Raval.
Binawi? Where is he? Please join, please,
I think he's in the holding room, Your Honor.
can we have him called before Senator Erwin can begin to raise his questions? Yes. In the meantime, well, let's wait for Mr. Pinawin so that isa na lang, sabay na silang mag-oath. Before that, the committee secretary is instructed to coordinate with the Securities and Exchange Commission to get the members of the board, shareholders of the BNT Construction Technology and Development Company Incorporated. They are the petitioner who petitioned Mr. Shi to be able to secure a 9G visa. That they be invited in the next hearing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can the committee secretary administer the oath to Mr. Pinawin and Mr. Raval?
Over the mic, please state your names. Names, please. State your names, please.
I, Teddy Sandy S. Raval. Joel Pinawin, Your Honor.
Answer my question. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this public inquiry?
I do.
Mr. Chair, may I?
Yes, go ahead.
Kay Mr. Raval at saka kay dito sa bagong dating, what is your name again, sir? Joel Binawin.
Joel Pinawin, Your Honor.
May idea po kayo dun sa kaso nito ni Mr. Shi. Di po ba yung 100 million na meat smuggling. Ano ba ang proseso? Pag nahuli po ba ito, kagaya ito, na-recover, nahuli po, di po ba dapat may investigation kaagad na susunod para malaman kung saan nanggaling, sino ang source, etc. at sino pa mga kasama niya? Ang sinasabi ni Mr. Xi, wala raw siyang, simula nang nahuli siya, wala raw investigasyon na nangyari at hindi siya inimbestigahan. Can you explain, please?
During the actual operation in last week of May, wala po kaming inabutan na tao doon sa warehouse, Your Honor.
So, yun ang reason ninyo, kaya hindi ninyo inimbestigahan dahil walang tao.
Actually, Your Honor, wala po kaming idea kung sino po ang may-ari ng mga warehouses. So, dahil po kasi yung Your Honor, so after the goods, and then they were given 15 days to submit po proper documentations kung dahil imported yun, kung saan nanggaling, kung saan nila binili. So, after the 15 days, I requested for the issuance of warrant of seizure for the goods, Your Honor.
Okay, but my next question, sir, Mr. Pinawin, di po ba ang standard operating procedure, maski na sabihin ho natin na meron kayong LOA, siserve ho ninyo, kaya ho kayo na pinapadlock niyo po yung warehouse because you coordinate with the owner. Hindi po ba kayo nagtanong, sino ba ang lessee nito? Kasi marami ho tayong gano'n, mga warehouse na, kagaya example, sila Global Logistics, pinaparent po nila yung kanilang mga warehouses, not necessarily sa kanila yun. Sana tinanong nyo sila, sino may-ari nitong warehouse 6? Sino may-ari ng warehouse 7? Sino may-ari ng warehouse 8? Did you not attempt to ask them kung sino ang mga may-ari para masundan po ninyo?
Your Honor, during that time po, wala nga po kami naabutang tao. Ang nag-receive lang po ng letter of authority namin is yung administrator ng building, and then we executed po yung affidavit of undertaking.
Tama po.
Who is he?
Mr. Chair. So he submitted an undertaking and then we requested for several documents, but they failed to give us the names of the owners of the warehouses.
And then after that, wala ho kayong charges kasi malinaw po sa sikat ng araw na they are not cooperating with your investigation. Pwede naman hong kasuhan, di ho ba, ng ikang obstruction of justice, Mr. Pinawin?
Your Honor, hindi po ako in charge sa investigation. Ang
Papel mo.
Chief Intel po. Nila.
Okay, bakit hindi ho pinasa sa investigation para na nakasuhan? Sir, basic po sa investigasyon. Ano po, alam ho natin, standard operating procedure, pag walang tao, balikan ng balikan. Intel pa naman ho kayo. At ipinasa ninyo, you do not stop dahil wala ka nakitang tao. You do not stop there. Walang tao eh. Dapat, you will have to find out, sino ba may-ari nito? Okay, si Global Logistics. Okay, Global Logistics, maaari ba sabihin mo sino may-ari nitong warehouse 6, 7, and 8? Pero biglang sabihin, sir, hindi nyo ginawa ang trabaho ninyo.
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, ang may power po to na is the office of LPD that belongs to Attorney Mogao. Regards to the investigation for the mga consignment broker, ang nagpapatawag po yung office po ng IPD. Ang chief po no, si Attorney Mogao. So wala po akong power na magpatawag, Your Honor.
So, correct. Pero ang sinasabi ho natin, so hanggang doon na lang. Hindi nyo na pinalo up kasi kayo nag-umpisa naman nag-intel kayo. Pinalo up nyo sana. Pinahuli na ba, Mas Attorney Mogao? Sino ba may-ari? Sino ba yung mga saan galing po ito?
Your Honor, for the owners to come during the hearing po sa law division kasi nagkaroon po ng warrant of seizure, so nag-send po ng notice of hearing. So, hindi po kung sino mag-a-appear doon sa hearing.
Okay?
And wala nga po nag-appear, Your Honor.
Wala nag-appeal sa law division.
Wala po, Your Honor.
Alright, so ginagago yung law division natin. Ibig sabihin, walang respeto itong mga smuggler sa law division natin. Binabastos kayo. Mr. Chair, that's all that I have.
Yes, Mr. Pinawin, hindi ba dapat doon sa investigation na yon, kayo din pinatawag para magpaliwanag kung ano ang naging patakaran ng inyong operations?
Wala naman po. Your Honor.
I'm talking dapat. Ano ba ang proseso ninyo? Kayo yung nag-raid eh. Kayo yung nagpasara. Hindi ba dapat pag may investigasyon, kasama kayo, papatawag kayo ng legal at sasabihin sa inyo, kung hindi kayo pinatawag, that's another question.
So during the hearing po sa legal, we were also invited. So that's why nga po inaantay namin yung mga tao ng building owner, wala pong dumating.
Yes, but you are supposed to have explained to the legal department.
After po nung we
Nagsubmit ba kayo ng report
yes, Your Honor.
sa legal?
No, sa direct superior ko po. Pero po kaming after motion report, Your Honor.
Okay. Yes, but I assume pagka talagang masinsinan yung inyong investigasyon ng legal, dapat hiningi sa inyo, di ba? Hindi ba hiningi sa inyo, sa superior ninyo, yung report ninyo?
Your Honor, when we requested po the issuance of warrant of seizure and detention, attachment po yung mission report po namin, Your Honor.
Precisely. So nandun na.
Nandun na po yun, Your Honor.
Okay. Balikan ko lang si Mr. Ang. Mr. Ang, sa iyo pala binigay bilang representative ng warehouse eh. Ba't kanina sinasabi mo wala nang warehouse doon at
Your Honor, that time,
mukhang hindi ka nagsasabi ng totoo, Mr. Ang.
yes, nagsasabi ako ng totoo.
Actually,
Actually,
kanina sinabi mo,
yeah.
hindi ka nung ang alam mo sa number 8 ay empty warehouse,
Yes po.
bare warehouse. Yun ang sinabi mo.
Opo.
Sinasabi ng dating customs, ikaw ang tumanggap nung yung tinanggap mo yung luwa, nandun na yung mga container van na refrigerated. Nililis.
No, sir. Your Honor, kasi ang ano ko, I mean, na time namin is open kasi yung warehouse. Kasi yung tinatayo yun talaga open yung warehouse.
Tinanggap mo yung hindi mo na time yun.
Kasi noon, yung time na yun, wala yung mga tao doon sa mga officer.
So you're not being you're not being completely truthful.
No, sir.
Mr. Ang, anong
No, sir. Kasi ang tinawag ko po
At sinabi mo pa ngayon, kanina pala, na ikaw walang kinalaman sa Vigor Global. Tama?
Opo.
Oh, sabi mo gold key ka, tama?
Opo.
O ba't meron kang affidavit na isinumiti dito, I am the representative of Vigor Global?
Kasi po, ang ano niyan, wala nga po silang tao na...
Mr. Ang, you are lying.
No,
This
sir.
is your affidavit.
Yes, sir. Kaya nga...
And you said you're a representative of Vigor Global. You're saying earlier you said you have nothing to do with Vigor Global because you're gold key. And you just admitted.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Talaga naman po, nasa gold key po.
Yes, sir. Pero
Kaya nga pinapaliwanag po, sir, kasi wala sila doon. Tinawag ko kay owner, kay Mr. Ting, sabi niya, i-receive ko na lang daw. Kaya I'm just receiving in behalf of the Vigor. Yun po ang totoo, sir.
well, we are warning you.
No, yes, sir.
Anong no? We are warning you. You have been coming up with inconsistent statements. Siguro whether it is deliberate or because you are natataranta, I don't know. I would like to think siguro natataranta ka kasi iba-iba yung sinasabi mo eh. So I will give you the benefit of the doubt for the time being.
Mr. Chair, if you would allow.
Senator,
Mr. Ang, bibigyan po namin kayo ng pagkakataon na mag-isip-isip na mabuti. Ano po? Mag-isip po kayo bago matapos ang hearing nito. Sagutin niyo po kami ng tama na numpa po kayo na magsasabi ng katotohanan. Gusto niyo yata hong umasyal sa ibaba namin sa aming detention facility. Wala namang problema. Gusto niyo makasama si Mr. San Andres, pwede rin po. Pero we'll give you a benefit of the doubt. Tama po yung Mr. Chairman. Meron po kami, pwede po ako mag-move na i-cite po kayo for contempt for lying in this investigation. At baka po, dyan po kayo mamasko sa baba. Kaya isip-isipin ho ninyo, sasagutin ninyo, ha? Yung totoo po, and that goes to all of you. Huwag ho ninyo bastusin ang committee na ito because we have the power to detain you downstairs hanggang magsabi kayo ng totoo. That's it, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Senator Tulfo. Can Mr. Ting confirm you authorized Mr. Ang to represent Vigor to receive the letter of authority?
Sorry sir, can you repeat? Because
Yes. Did you authorize Mr. Ang, as he has earlier manifested, to represent Vigor and receive the letter of authority?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
We have confirmed for that. We have requested him to receive the letter in behalf for us.
Okay.
Thank you.
Balikan ko lang si Mr. Pinawin and si Mr. Raval. Maliwanag na kulang ang naging aksyon ng Bureau of Customs. Dahil kami, wala namang kaming mga investigador sa Senado. Pero nakuha natin si Mr. Shi. 1 year and a half after. Pagkatapos nung nung May 2024, wala nang naging investigasyon ng BOC. Walang lumapit kay Mr. Shi. At that time, siya ang lessee ng number 8. Ganun ba yung sistema? Hihintayin mo silang pumunta sa inyo? Smuggler eh. Bakit napupunta sa inyo? Di ba dapat doon, kayo ang pumunta sa kanila? Kindly answer this question, please, Mr. Pinawin.
Your Honor,
Kasi ang tinuturo mo yung mas nakakataas sa'yo.
Your Honor, meron po kasi kami separate function, Your Honor. So ang may power po to investigate, to summon, hindi po yung office ko, kung hindi po yung office ng IPD. So I cannot just simply summon a person to my office to be investigated kasi hindi po yun ang mandate ko, Your Honor. It's a different office. Belongs to
Hindi humarap sa summons. Di ba dapat mag-issue ng warrant? Ano ba? Arrest warrant?
wala po kaming ganong power, Your Honor.
Hindi kayo. Yung investigative officer, yung legal ninyo. Meron, di ba?
I
You wouldn't know? Mr. Raval, what is the power, you are deputy commissioner, what is the power of the commission when it comes to these cases?
Your Honor,
Suspects in a smuggling case.
just for the record, Your Honor, when I wasn't a part of the raiding team, I was just sent there for a day because there was information that the Secretary of the Department of Agriculture will be going to that particular warehouse to visit the warehouse, and they wanted a senior official to at least be there to welcome the secretary. But as far as the implementation of the letter of authority, the investigation, and all actions after that, it was the intelligence group and the group of Mr. Pinawin who was in charge of that.
Saying he's not in charge, it's Mr. Intelligence.
As I was saying, Your Honor, mayroon po kaming different function, and function po ng IPD is to summon and to investigate, Your Honor.
Nasaan yung IPD? Nandito ba? Anong pangalan?
Attorney Mogaw, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Attorney Mogaw. We will invite him sa next hearing. Is he still with the BOC?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay, good. Thank you. Pero ganun, Assistant Commissioner Maronilla, may kapangyarihan kayo para, di ba, magsampina at pagka hindi sinunod yung sampina, dapat mayroong issuance of warrants?
Yes, Your Honor. Precisely what Mr. Pilano was saying. The team that actually is composed of the personalities that are supposed to implement the letter of authority should refer their after mission report, if any, to the if there are personalities that were not captured, to the investigation division, which will in turn make their findings, summon or subpoena personalities, and if there are cases to be recommended, recommend the same to the legal service for appropriate filing of criminal charges. That's supposed to be the procedure, Your Honor.
And Commissioner Rubio issued a memorandum to by Commissioner Rubio to Director Armando of the Legal Services, directing him to conduct case profiling and to file appropriate charges against the owner-possessors of the frozen goods found in warehouse located in Kawit, Cavite. So, mukhang may order pero hindi ginawa. No? And that's why we want to hear from Attorney, what's his name? Maugam? Maugam. Okay. Maugam. Attorney Maugam. Mogaw. 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 Okay. Is that Attorney Mogaw? Are you still with the customs?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Could you administer the oath, Attorney Lina?
Attorney. Yes, I do.
Okay, Attorney Mogaw, you are head of, can you give your office?
I am the Chief of the Investigation Division, Mr. Chair.
And as Chief of the Investigation Division, what is your, what is your authority
As Chief of the
and
Investigation Division, there,
responsibilities?
we conduct investigation on cases involving violations of customs laws and regulations, primarily involving importers and brokers, Mr. Chair.
Okay, can you explain why in this case, 1 year and a half after the raid and the confiscation of over 100 million pesos worth of agri-products, and a possible anti-economic sabotage case of the smuggling of agri-products, why were there no cases filed? What happened here?
Mr. Chair, it appears from the records that the matter or this incident was not referred to the investigation division. It was directly after the termination of the law. The same was forwarded to the legal service, Your Honor, for the conduct of case profiling and investigation, and as ordered by the then Commissioner.
Why wasn't it referred to you?
I'm not privy, Your Honor, why it was not referred to me.
Yeah, but should di ba dapat sa'yo ni-refer yun?
In usual cases, Your Honor, it should have been also referred to our office, Your Honor.
So hindi ni-refer sa inyo, ni-refer sa ibang office na hindi naman dapat ni-refer sa ibang office, ganun ba yun? I mean, based on
Mr. Chair,
ano mo kasi usual.
Mr. Chair, the investigation division conducts investigation, and there is also another unit in the legal service, the so-called BATAS, or the Bureau's Action Team Against Smuggler, which is likewise authorized, Mr. Chair, to conduct investigation involving smuggling cases. And this unit was created by virtue of Customs Memorandum Order, Mr. Chair. So,
Who was the Customs Commissioner when that was created?
I think during the time of then Commissioner La Peña, Mr. Chair.
But shouldn't there be just one investigative body? I mean, ano ba ang ano dyan? Ano ba ang gawi? Dati, kayo ang in charge, di ba? Ano man ang kaso, basta smuggling, sa inyo dadalin. Tapos nag-create ng panibagong entity nung panahon ni La Peñas na pwede na rin mag-imbestiga yung legal. Tama ba yun?
If my understanding is correct, Your Honor, also before La Peña, there is an office which also handles smuggling cases, the so-called RATS before.
Assuming it was not referred to you. Public knowledge naman na may nangyari ron, hindi ba? 100 million. Di ba? Nalabas sa dyaryo. Hindi ba motu proprio pwede kayong mag-imbestiga? Hindi? Dapat i-refer sa inyo?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes, we'd like to acknowledge the presence of Senator Raffy Tulfo. So, Attorney, what's his name? Tristan Armando. Is he still with the Bureau?
No longer, Mr. Chair.
No longer with the Bureau.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
But anyway, he should still be invited to the next hearing to explain why 1 year after, more than a year after, there is no investigation of this 100 million pesos smuggling case. Yes, Senator Raffy Tulfo.
Mr. Chair, kanina pa ako nakamonitor and on the way here.
Go ahead, please.
And yung Chinese na nahuli,
Mr. Shi.
Mr. Shi, sino yung apprehending officer ng Bureau of Customs? Nandito ba inquest? I mean, Bureau of Immigration?
Ako po, Your Honor.
Marunong mag-Tagalog yan eh. Kahit nabaluktot. Mr. Ano pangalan mo? Mr. Shi, ikaw wag panggap. Ikaw marunong Tagalog kahit kunti. Ikaw sagot Tagalog, okay?
Hindi.
Marunong ikaw. Immigration. Pag siya mag-Tagalog, di ba? Kunti nga lang.
Konti lang daw po, Your Honor.
Exactly. Sagot ikaw kahit konti. Tagalog. Kasi kung hindi, ikaw kulong ba?
Kunti, marunong ko.
Yun. Marunong ikaw. Huwag ikaw loko-loko amin. Now, sino yung leader?
Leader，你好，你
啊
的领导是谁？
没有领导啊。
There's no leader。
Manitan.
Manita，你认识吗？
什么没看到？
Okay. Paano ka umpisa negosyo dito, Pilipinas? Sagot. Wag translate.
听不懂啊，他说什么？
Hindi. Kung ikaw sinungaling, ikaw kulong baba, contempt.
你说，你说，你说。
Tagalog.
我真听不懂啊，
哎，
Hindi, wag ka.
真听不懂啊。
Mag-Tagalog ka
不是
konti.
假的
Ano ka? Kasi Mr. Chair, hindi naman makapag-negosyo to rito kung hindi siya mag-Tagalog kahit konti.
Since 2017.
Exactly. In fact, nung naharang sa immigration, Tagalog siya eh. He was told about the fact na meron siyang problema sa immigration dito sa Senate. Naharang siya sa NAIA Terminal 1 going to China eh.
听不懂。
And then he was read his rights. He was inquest.
你要他慢一点，你才能听得懂嘛。
Everything in Tagalog. And later on,
Putong, ah.
nagkulma rito, humingi ng translator. Pinagluloko tayo nitong Chinese na to eh. Huwag ikaw loko-loko, ako seryoso, ako contempt, iyo kulong, ikaw baba.
Sagutin yung tanong, Mr. Shi.
独龙，
Hindi kasi baluktot daw siya. Let's speak the language she understands.
Ikaw sagot tanong, Mr. Shi.
你刚才听到他的问题吗？
听不懂啊。
我问他要再重复吗？
Ito, Mr. Xi, Paano ka nag-umpisa ng iyong negosyo dito? Sino ang iyong unang contact dito sa Pilipinas? Paano mo nakilala ang mga taga Bureau of Customs? Sagot ikaw maayos.
Sorry,听我都
Marunong to, Mr. Chair. From my source, alam na alam niya lahat ng ginagawa niya. Marunong siya magtagalog tulad ng ibang mga genuine Chinese. Yung mga imported kung tawagin. They know how to speak Tagalog. Because kung hindi siya marunong magtagalog, he doesn't know how to go around.
那个时候是来的时候，很多认识的有一些我们就是来的，然后我们
Ayan na naman tayo eh. Sarap
等一下
pakulot
我
ng
用大家都我说不出来啊，我说不出来啊。
double bed. Hindi ka pwede. Ito, pakulong natin. Para anything, patawag natin. I think,
Yes, go ahead.
Your Honor, can I just express what he was trying to express? Yeah. Okay. He was saying
Okay,
that although
Permission of Senator Rafi Tulfo. Go ahead.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. He was saying that even if he understands a little bit, he's not able to express himself properly or in a straight manner.
then try. Kasi,
Yeah, sure. Yeah,
kasi,
sure.
listen, Mrs. Interpreter, pangalan ng interpreter,
Yes, Your Honor.
Miss Caroline, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, hindi naman siya makapagnegosyo rito kung hindi siya marunong magtagalog one way or the other.
Kahit baluktot, basta
Hindi
ipaliwanag.
naman siya pwede makipag-usap sa mga Bureau of Customs kung sino ang mga contact niya dyan, kung sino yung contact niya sa Department of Agriculture, if he doesn't know how to speak the language, the Tagalog, kahit na konti. Yun nga lang, pabaluktot. Yun ang gusto kong, sinasabi rito na pinagluloko niya tayo Pag siya ba'y manuhol sa mga taga-BOC, sa mga taga-DA, siya ba'y magka-Chinese? Siya ba'y may kasama interpreter? Of course not. He does this himself.
他听懂了，他
He
大
does
家
it
都
himself.
才那些，现在还剩下的听不懂。那我也没办法了，你让我说，我说不出来啊，我真听不懂啊。我没办法，
Wala, napapatagal tayo.
就是说一些数据我能说一点，那如果能够说那种成语什么的，我就说不来。
Mr. Shi, ang sinasabi ni Senator Rafi Tulfo, kahit na hindi diretsong Tagalog ang paliwanag mo, sagutin mo pa rin.
Marunong po siya,
Yeah.
Mr. Chair.
Kahit na medyo broken Tagalog,
Correct.
marunong kang mag-broken Tagalog, yes?
Yes.
Sagutin mo, marunong kang mag-broken Tagalog?
Subukan mo.
阿南人银龙噶银那都这些懂，这简单的懂一点，剩下都不懂了，剩下的都不懂怎么说啊？
Kasi ayaw ko, Mr. Chair, na
I understand, Senator Rafi Tulfo. Ang concern is, Senator Rafi Tulfo is tumatagal at kung nagsasabi ka ng totoo o ikaw nag-a-acting dito na kunwari hindi ka marunong magtagalog kahit konti. Dahil kung ikaw nag-a-acting, di ibig sabihin nagsisinungaling ka. Kung nagsisinungaling ka, ibig sabihin hindi ka pwedeng pagkatiwalaan. Hindi ba? Yung iyong pagiging reliable witness, credible witness, ay nasisira o nawawala yung credibility mo kung mapapatunayan dito na marunong ka pala nagtagalog pero hindi ka nagtatagalog, nagkukunwari kang wala kang alam sa Tagalog. Naintindihan mo? Mr. Shi, naintindihan mo? Tinagalog ko.
Naintindihan niya po yan.
Mr. Shi, can you face me, Mr. Shi? Can you tell him?
回答我怎么回答？回答什么？
Mr. Shi,
Hindi, ikaw usap ako, hindi alam hindi lang alam talaga. 那我听不懂他说什么，你让我回答什么啊？
Paano ka manuhol sa mga taga-Bureau of
他的
Customs?
单词一个一个的单词，我还能有时候听懂一点，但是整个说出来我都听不懂，真听不懂。
Mr. Shi, may kausap ka ba nung nagtatrabaho ka bilang warehouse lessee? Meron kang mga kausap sa customs? Oo o hindi? Meron? Meron o wala?
Hindi alam.
Oh,
Ano
hindi alam.
ano uyas? 不懂意思，他是什么意思？
O sige, para sumagot siya. Has he ever, please,
就是你做这个仓库的生意的时候，有没有认识一些来自海关的人员？那你怎么跟他们沟通呢
海关我不认识海关人员
Ano，sabi ng source ko.
？I don't know any from the customs. No.
我不认识啊。
So paano siya nakapagtrabaho sa Bureau of Customs kung wala siyang kakilala ni isang kaluluwa doon?
你怎么工作呢？
Ito na lang, sinong Pilipinong contact niya dito kaya siya nakapagnegosyo?
就是之前我就是说找人家买点货过来，然后帕赛那边之前不是很多那个中国餐厅吗？我就一家一家去问人家要不要就卖给人家哦。
Okay.
啊，
The answer is a bit different. Okay, so because I found this business like these products that I can sell to the different restaurants in Pasay, so I supply them the products.
Who are the people that he's talking about? His contacts.
他的问题就是你的联系人是谁？在菲律宾的联系人是谁？
in Pasay, sino yun?
Pasay 那些联系人是谁？
那些餐厅都基本上都全部关走了，还哪有联系人呢？现在整个帕赛都没人了啊，所以我没生意做，我就没做生意了啊。
Because most of those businesses in Pasay they're already gone right now. So who do I contact there?
Okay, ito na lang po. Translator. Siyempre, nung dumating sa Pilipinas, may sumalo sa kanya. Okay? Hindi naman siya makapagnegosyo rito kung walang sumalo sa kanya na Filipino-Chinese. And yung Filipino-Chinese, nung first time na siya rito, yung nag-introduce sa kanya sa mga taong pwedeng magamit niya nang sa gayo makapag-smuggle siya ng sibuyas. Who are those people?
OK，呢頭先買嚟食，OK，像我交啲到沙港，有法當按食最順利。
我頭一隻來是來你看一兩個月咯哦，無做生意，才去山頂，去人用咧收貨邊的沙站啦。
Tapos follow-up question pa, no?
Sa ni.
Pakitanong din sa kanya, kasi hindi naman siya, siyempre, nagnegosyo sa customs. Okay, nagparating siya. Imposible na hindi siya iharap kung sakali man meron siyang translator, tulad ng ginagawa niya pag sinungaling ngayon, siyempre iharap siya sa mga taga-Bureau of Customs, taga-Bureau of Plant Industry, taga-Bureau of Agriculture, hinaharap yan siya. Hindi naman siya basta sarili na lang pupunta sa customs, tataas ang kamay. Gusto ko mag-smuggle dito ng sibuyas. Okay, come to Papa. Bigyan ka namin ng linya. Not like that. Meron yan siyang kinakausap. Ini-introduce siya isa-isa. Ito, sino-sino mga yon?
他们想知道的是，就是你来到菲律宾的时候，你不是说有做生意嘛？然后必须每个这些政府的一些机构有跟他们沟通，对吧？然后那如果他们用菲律宾语来沟通，然后你不会说菲律宾语，那你是怎么跟他们沟通？是谁介绍给他们的？
我从来没有跟什么政府部门什么沟通啊。
I never had any communication or contact with these government offices.
Or even people from the customs?
我都
He was not introduced?
我都不行，
Never whatsoever? I don't believe that.
海关的人员你都不认识吗
我都不需要啊。我又不找他们买货，我找他干嘛？
？I do not need them. Why do I need them?
So, paano siya nakapagnegosyo sa loob ng Bureau of Customs kung wala siyang kakilala na Pilipino?
那如果你没有认识一个菲律宾的人，菲律宾的官员或者什么，那你怎么在这个海关局有这种职业这种生意呢？
我就找人拿货啊，找别人拿货啊。我又没自己说找海关进什么货，我就没必要跟他说什么，我也说不来啊。我也说不来啊，我要找他拿什么东西啊？
Yeah, because I also cannot communicate with them, so I don't think I don't need. How do I communicate with them if I don't need them? So
Kaya nga, so, he needs them. Dahil kung wala yung contact niya, kung wala siyang handler, hindi siya makapag-smuggle sa Bureau of Customs. That's a fact. Pupunta sa Bureau of Customs, magcha-Chinese siya ng gano'n, chong-ching-yang gano'n. Sino makaintindi sa kanya? Huwag niya kami pagkukuhin. May handler yan eh.
With the permission of Senator Raffy Tulfo, sabi niya, kausap din niya yung 6, Warehouse 6, Warehouse 7, tsaka Warehouse 8. Nag-uusap sila. Tama?
你说你有跟那个6号跟7号仓库有这个联系，对吗？Yes, I get the supplies.
Sino nauna dun sa warehousing na yon? Si Mr. C? Si Mr. How?
红，OK，谁首先跟你联系呢？是那个谢先生还是洪先生？
没有，我去租仓库，我租仓库，他们就在隔壁嘛，然后我就去看他们的货嘛，
OK，
看他们的货，我看到有需要，我就问人家有需要，我就找他拿货嘛，
嗯，OK。
都不存在谁找谁啊，我都就是先看他的货咯。
So I was only there like to see their products, okay, and then I saw that okay, maybe I can also put them in my warehouse. So I don't know like who is the person there. I just got the products and then
Mr. Hong. Okay? Mr. Xie. Yes? Does he confirm? Nakausap niya si Mr. Xie and Mr. Hong.
那你能够确认你跟这些谢先生跟洪先生联系吗？
之前找他的进去就是说先找就是他们的工人，他们老板也都不在那边啊。
At first, it was only their staff that I talked to because most of the time the bosses are not there.
Yes, but he still talk to their bosses at one point.
那你还是跟他们有联系？以前有跟他们联系？
跟老板没有联系，就是知道老板姓什么。
Okay, I only know the surname of these bosses, but I didn't have contact with them.
Who leased first?
是谁租这个仓库？是6号
Or Mr. Hong and Mr. Xie?
是谁租这个仓库？这些仓库是你还是谢先生还是洪先生
6号是谢先生嘛，7号是洪先生嘛。
是谁？
是谁租他们的是吗？
谁先租？
我去的时候，他们都在里面呢，我不知道是谁先租啊。
When I started leasing the warehouse, they were already present. So I don't know who among them was the first one.
Okay.
Ito lang pong tanong ko, for the nth time. Sino yung Filipino-Chinese na handler niya na nagpakilala siya sa kanya sa mga kung sino dapat ang mayari ng warehouse na kausapan, sino yung dapat kukontak sa Bureau of Customs, sa Bureau of Plant Industry. Meron yan. Hindi naman pwedeng Chinese to Chinese. You know that, interpreter, right? You tell them to be honest. You tell him to be honest. Meron at meron siyang Filipino-Chinese na contact niya, kausap niya. Yun yung nakipag-usap sa lahat. Yun ang gusto kong patawag dito.
OK，现在要说实话哈。OK，就是因为你来到菲律宾，必须有个人帮你跟这些政府官员沟通，拿到这些需要的东西，对吗？所以他们想知道这个联系人，这个菲律宾华人到底是谁？
我从菲律宾到现在到今天，从来没有跟什么政府部门去沟通什么，因为我不懂得说话。 我到今天到这个时候为止，我没有跟任何政府官员去有什么勾结，还是说有什么联系什么的，绝对没有。
I never had, from the time that I came here until now, I never had any contact with any government office or agency because I don't know the language.
Sorry. Yes. Sabi Pilipino.
Not necessarily government. Sino ang 2017 siya dumating dito? Sino yung Pilipinong kumausap sa kanya para matulungan siyang magpirmi rito?
OK，他们
Ibig sabihin, taga-gobyerno.
OK，他们的意思就是，你第一次来到这里就是2017年来到菲律宾，谁来帮你来开始这个生意？就是那个有没有那个菲律宾华人？肯定是会说菲律宾语跟中文对吧？就是帮你来到这里做生意，不管是什么人。菲律宾
2017年我没做生意，我都跟你说，2017年来的时候，我去到那个外岛去跟人家那个收汇品的帮忙的嘛，就那种嘛，去学习怎么收汇品嘛。我没有，我就到23年、24年那才，我是19年才来到马尼拉这边的嘛，然后一些语言也打不通，也没做什么生意嘛，然后到那个24年我就看到那些餐馆，他们有需要这些东西嘛，然后我就去租了一个仓库去找人家拿货来卖嘛。
Okay, yes. When I came here in 2017, actually, I didn't stay in Manila. I went to the province and I had I was helping some businesses there in the province. I only came to Manila in 2019. So in 2019, I didn't have, because of language barrier, I wasn't able to do really the business. It was only in 2024 that I found an opportunity here, and then I saw the restaurants needing the supplies. So that's when I started.
Isa na lang. Sino yung Pilipino na Chinese na kausap niya, na nag-introduce sa kanya sa lahat ng mga tao na para siya makapagnegosyo? Filipino-Chinese na marunong mag-Tagalog at Chinese. Yun na lang. Imposible lang puro Chinese na lang kausap niya. Kalokohan yun.
Okay, 有没有一个菲律宾华人帮你来到这里？
Not necessarily
我来的时候是自己来这边的，没有人带我来，还是说没有人打电话叫我来的？我就是说，在国内不知道做什么，然后我就想说大家都到回，因为我的护照是2009年办的护照，然后我到2017年才来的。因为我办了，我也想着说到底来不来，来了也不懂得说话，我也不懂得来的怎么说，所以说
所以你的答案是什么？
所以说我就一直就拖到17年，在国内没办法生存嘛，
Okay, 我
才进来的，自己来的。
Okay, 我先答你。Okay, so the answer, okay, just the first answer that he said was, okay, so when I came here, I really had no one to help me or no one to rely on. And then, yes, that's the rest is all the story.
With the permission of Senator Raffy Tulfo. So, anong probinsya sa noong 2017 hanggang 2019?
你说那个2017年来到菲律宾的时候去了哪里？什么省？
Baka sagutin niya, nagtrabaho sa farm.
Tacloban? Yeah.
Nagtrabaho ka ba sa farm?
你在哪里工作呢？那个时候？
在什么时候？17年吗？
对。
在大老班啊。
大老板。什么工作呢？
就汇品啊。
汇品。
我那边有一个朋友，他那边在那汇品，我就去帮人家分类嘛。
Okay.
So it's like a segregating facility.
Okay. Hindi farm.
不是农场。
没有，汇品收品就是阿鲁宾路巴西地道什么
Yes.
Incan.
Yeah, Incan aluminum.
Incan nata. Dito nang iba lang dito ba?
Excuse me. Ang tanong ko, ang interpreter, Mr. Interpreter, ang salita niya, 1 milya, ikaw 100 dangkal lang, sinasagot mo. So, hindi kita pinagbibigdangan na, baka hindi mo masyado na-translate na maayos yung pinagsasabi niya.
Okay, Your Honor.
Last na lamang talaga, last na. Gusto ko namang pitikin tenga nito eh.
Okay, yes, Your Honor.
Kasi hindi naman siya pwede sino bilang ticket niya, sino yung mga kausap niya para ma-connect siya sa mga taong kailangan siya ma-connect. Nang sa ganyan, makapag-move around siya, makagawa siya dito ng negosyo. Yun lang yun, Filipino-Chinese. Yun yung pinakasusi natin yun eh.
Okay.
Yun yung pinakasusi. Kasi wala tayong mapapala dito. Lahat kasi nungalingan. Hindi ko alam kung tama bang translation mo.
Okay. Okay, let me ask.
那什么啊？我是
Okay.
Sabi mo, Pilipino. Ikaw sabi akin, sino kaibigan mo Pilipino isa dito, salita para sa'yo.
上回的片。
有没有认识一个菲律宾人？菲律宾华人？菲律宾华人
Sinungaling.
菲律宾华人在中国城很多啊。不一定
有没有一个
是这种？
有一个首先来到这里菲律宾华人？
没有，真的没有人引我来的，
Mr. Chair,
真的没有。
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Senator.
I move to cite this person in contempt for continuously lying before this committee. Kanina ba rin? Isang nagnegosyo siya with Chinese. Mr. Chair, with your permission, I'd like to move that we cite this individual in contempt, Mr. Chair.
Second.
I second the motion, Mr.
Okay, there is a motion duly seconded. We will ask Mr. Shi for the last time before we rule on the motion. Tell us why you should not be cited in contempt of this committee for lying. Explain to us.
告诉他们
Defend yourself.
告诉他们
This is a show cause order.
告诉他们有没有什么原因让他们不相信你是在说谎？
Tumawa pa, oh.
这个原因怎么说啊？我说真的，但他们如果不相信我，真的也没办法变出什么话来。没有人帮我，我也想有人帮我啊。有人帮我，我也不需要，我也不会混得这么差。我也想有人帮我，但真的没有人帮我，也没有人叫我来，也没有人说你来我给你做什么，还是说你来我有什么工作给你，还是有什么生意给你，没有。所以我才得去捡垃圾，去慢慢学习一点话。我说没有。
Okay, so yes, I said that I don't know anyone here. The time that I came, I really don't know anyone, so I cannot say anything to convince you that what I'm saying is the truth. And I just came here with my knowledge that I just want to do this kind of business, but I really don't know anyone. Even if I want someone to help me to do this business, I don't have anyone to help me.
With that explanation, which the committee finds unsatisfactory, Mr. Shi, this committee finds you in contempt of the committee. You are hereby cited in contempt of this committee.
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair.
Yes, Senator.
Recognition custody of this individual under USAA because he's signed in contempt para kung kailangan po namin sa next hearing, hindi na kami galing po doon sa inyong facility sa Bikutan para madali po namin siyang mapatawag dito sa taas sa Bureau of Immigration. Attorney Raymond.
Yes, Your Honor, we'll coordinate with the head of the BIO within facility.
Yes, we are in communication with your Commissioner Viado. So yes, and therefore we will take custody, but subject to, of course, making him available for the proceedings in the Bureau of Immigration. But of course, if there are deportation proceedings, which I assume is part of your process, that order of deportation will have to be held in abeyance pending the resolution of the hearing, his custody over our custody, the Senate's custody, the committee's custody over his person, pending the completion of our committee report.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you. Senator Raffy Tulfo, go ahead.
Mr. Chair, I would like to congratulate and commend the Bureau of Immigration for a job well done dahil po sa inyong aksyon. Yan po, nahuli itong si Mr. Shi. Thank you. I really congratulate you and commend you. Lahat kayo dyan sa Bureau of Immigration.
And thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, we share the same manifestation. Maraming salamat sa Immigration Bureau. We hope the Bureau of Customs can likewise step up and help us in our desire to address squarely itong problema ng smuggling sa agriculture and fisheries sector.